I'm Dara Lindsay, contributing editor at the Everygirl. This week, I tried to Marie Kondo my house. If you haven't heard of Marie Kondo's best-selling book, it's called The Life-Changing Magic of Tidying Up, which is basically cleaning on steroid. Your career success, your relationships, your sex life, your overall happiness, it all stems from how well you treat your stuff and how tidy and organized your home is. Kondo says the secret to happiness is to be surrounded by objects you love. Does this item spark joy? If it does, keep it. If it doesn't, get rid of it. And let me be the first to tell you guys, she is ruthless.
You walk into my house and there's clutter, there's some trash, a box of dog food. Also, I have a dog. Dining room table has looked like this for, I'm going to say, weeks. Who among us has a clutter drawer? My only strategy for storing mugs and Tupperwares and cups, toss them in there and then pray.
Suddenly I couldn't compartmentalize, like I couldn't just throw all of the stuff I didn't want to deal with into a closet and say like, that's fine, it's clean now.
Something tells me there's a more efficient way to store this stuff. Gosh, I'm so embarrassed that you guys are seeing this right now.
I also learned that I have way more stuff than I could ever want or ever possibly need. In the course of one day, I had either donated or thrown away about a dozen garbage bags worth of stuff.
Not really feeling the joy, so those are going. It's going in the garbage. So, congrats to me, everybody.
Once you really look at an item and say, does this make you happy? It really puts into perspective if you need it or not. Even though I got rid of so much, it really didn't feel sad.
You spark joy, don't you, Zoe? Oh, don't you? Oh, and she left.
She's a nice dog. Overall, my final thoughts are, yeah, heck yeah. I would recommend this to anybody who feels like their life is a little too cluttered, if they have to just get their proverbial crap together. Buy the book. Marie Kondo is a terrifying and evil genius. Figure out what really matters to you, what doesn't. Get rid of the stuff that doesn't. You'll feel lighter, you'll feel freer. I know I do.
Maria's gonna kill me, but every single one of these books is staying.
Fine. Take your rawhide and go. Go.